Hello friends, today we learn how to create account for a PMI. You need to open browser and search pmi.org. Then search, the website will be open. Create your free PMI account. Enter your basic details like first name, last name as per your government ID. Then select your country, India. Select your country. Then email address, enter your email address. Copy, then paste. Enter your email address here. Then password, create your password. It must be strong. Create your password here. Carefully create your password. You need to fulfill these requirements which are given in the page. Click on these tick boxes. Then register now. You will get verification code on your email. Open your email. Then open your mail ID. Copy code from here and paste. Wait. 00. Enter your code here. Then continue. Success. Then wait for a moment. See here, welcome page is reflected. If you want to learn how to book exam, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with Softech Cloud.